Here's how to add confetti to your Weebly page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code. Go to Weebly, and then on the main menu, choose Website, then Edit Site. Click on the Edit button located in the upper right corner of the page to go to the editor. Once you're in the left sidebar, look for Embed Code element, that's this one, and then drag it anywhere you want in the site. Now you'll see this block that says Click to set custom HTML. Click on it, and a pop-up will appear. Go ahead and click Edit Custom HTML. This will open a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. This is what it will look like. Now, right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Control-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the element, click anywhere on the screen to automatically save it. Then go ahead and click Publish. Another pop-up will appear confirming that the website was published. Click the link provided to see the confetti animation in action. And if you did the steps I mentioned correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.